Peace, family. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about inquiry removal. Now, in my previous video, I spoke about updating your personal information. So I highly encourage you guys to check that video out before you get to removing your inquiries. You got to make sure that your personal information is all aligned across all three bureaus. Now, when dealing with your inquiries, you got to make sure that you suppress your file on ChexSystems. I'll go ahead to put together a little step-by-step format for you guys to use on that. I might just put that out for free, might just do it for a donation of $5. I'm not too sure yet. However, I'm going to go ahead and give you the jewel. Make sure that your personal information is updated. Make sure you suppress your file on ChexSystem. You can do it online and opt out or freeze it. So once you freeze your file on ChexSystems, then you can start disputing those inquiries properly. Everything has to be aligned in your personal information. You have to suppress your file on ChexSystems. Then you can go ahead and start to dispute your inquiries. Now, if you get my credit manuscript, it has a couple of letters in there on inquiries. And if you are into the credit repair group that I have, it's called Credit Repair Yourself, the Facebook group. I'll go ahead and post a few free things in there, a few inquiry letters that you guys can use to go ahead and start disputing those properly. So I know this one's pretty quick, and I really hope that this helps because it's a simple process. And not every single time that you send out a letter are they going to remove it immediately. You got to keep going at it until they remove it. Because if you were paying like a Lexington law firm to remove inquiries, you will probably be dealing with them for 5-6 months at a time, paying $100, which means you're out of $600-700 instead of just doing it yourself. That's the key. It's not going to happen overnight all the time. And if you have like 15 plus inquiries, it'll take you about 3 or 4 months to get all of them off because they are inquiries. And if your personal information isn't aligned throughout all three bureaus, they're going to always be able to validate you. So make sure that you do that. Check out that personal information update video. It's the one I did right before this one, and it's also on my YouTube channel. I have videos on bankruptcies, I have videos on the credit manuscript, and I have videos on this personal information update that I'm speaking about in this previous video. Now this one here is just pertaining to your inquiries, family. This one's for your inquiries. So make sure that you suppress your file on ChexSystems after you've updated your personal information, and then go ahead and dispute it with the letters that I'm probably going to be posting in the group. I may just post 1 or 2 letters that you can use for your inquiry removal, and definitely feel free to donate something for it. I'll post it for free, but go ahead and, for my time that I put into it, I would highly appreciate that you guys donate a little something. I'm not even going to put a price on that. I hope this helps, family. Peace.